Hey, what's up? It's Bill with Seeds of Nature Water Gardens, and today I am out in Gresham, Oregon. Beautiful day, of course, raining, overcast, cold, but we got a really cool project. We are going to rebuild a aquascape ecosystem pond. This is a back door, sliding glass door. We have a 8x11 ecosystem pond. This is, kind of like the standard small goldfish pond. You see we got the aquascape skimmer over there. We got the old biofalls. Got a nice little stream here. So what we're going to do is we're going to rip everything out. We're going to try to save as much rock as possible because it's just a pain to get it out of here. But we're going to turn this into a 9x15, and typically we go by my company 7x10 to 10x14, but because of the distance you can see from the patio to the fence, I don't want to take up all of that space. I want to be able to get back there if need be. So we're going to do 9x15. We're going to start over here. So there's electrical box. We also have this drainage issue. We're going to have to run some piping out so that we don't have that running into the pond. There's also a drain, an overflow pit, like a dry well over here, so we might use that. We'll see how that is when we dig it up. This wall get raised up, so this is a golf course right here, but obviously this is going to get raised up a bit because of the excavation, so we're going to end up kind of moving all the dirt over this way as well, so it's not just like a mound. And we're going to there's no stream on this pond, but if we have extra liner, I will extend the stream out as far as possible. But yeah, that's about it. I just got to drain this. There's one fish in there, so I got my tank. We're going to keep the fish alive and happy. Yeah, 15-year-old system. It's going to get a rehab, even in this cold, wet weather. So let's get to work. We got the machine in through this really tight backyard, very snug fit. We're gonna have rock delivered in a little bit. We have rock over here that we're gonna use as well. We're gonna recycle as much of that as we can, and we're gonna start digging. I got to dig out for the biofalls so we can get the plumbing in, and excavate for the pond. And then once we get that all excavated, we can underlayment, liner, and then we can start throwing rocks in this. Let's get All right, we got a lot done. So we got the pond dugout shaped. We got the skimmer put in. We didn't, silicone or anything like that. Same with the biofalls, the plumbing. We got the underlayment. We got the liner. We even got 3 tons of rock from the front yard to the backyard. So pretty good progress. We're gonna go on a little field trip, try to find some wood. The client really is a skilled carpenter, I guess, craftsman. Yeah, he makes really awesome stuff with wood. So I want to try to find a nice piece of wood that he would appreciate, that would kind of add into this piece. I think he would like that a lot. So that being said, we'll see you tomorrow. All right, day 3, we already got rolling. We got the bottom shelf of the pond all rocked in. Last night we went and got some really awesome driftwood for this project, so I'm really excited about those pieces. Yeah, we just got it rocking the top edge. We're gonna have a overlap with our liner to the biofalls because we don't have enough, and we'll start to build that out. Hopefully the goal is tomorrow for that, but we'll get this entire pond rocked in today. that's gonna be a wrap for us for today. We got a lot done. We got pretty much the whole pond rocked in. A little bit of the shelf is not rocked in because I want to overlay some liner. The liner that I brought that I've had for like 2 years is too short, so I'm going to pick up some more liner tomorrow. It's a little bit wider so I can be, you know, a little bit more creative and not have to worry about edges and stuff like that. So first thing in the morning, I'm going to grab that before getting here, and we're going to rock the waterfall in, and then we'll do our edges, we'll fill it up, and we'll get it running.
Love me.
Alright, well that's a wrap. All finished up. It's looking really, really good. Client's happy, I'm happy. Blue's happy. Thanks, Blue. Really appreciate the help, buddy. Couldn't have done it without you. I had a really good time out here building this. You know, going to collect driftwood, get the moss, playing with the rock. You know, it's always a good time. I love doing this stuff. So if you really like this video, I'd appreciate it if you could, you know, share it with your friends, like it. It helps me out a lot. You know, let me know what was your favorite part. Do you like the waterfall? Do you like the rock work? Let me know. I really appreciate the input. So that's it. That's all I got for you. Have a good one.